Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Charitha. Today, very happy day for me. You know why? Months ago, I came here with 200 pound in my hand. Then after that, I little bit talk about my ideas and how I get that money. After that, I'll take necessary action. Today, I'm ending with 1100 pound in my hand. Stay with me. I will let you know what's the secret behind this money. I bought Toyota Yaris 2002 model car, automatic, 73,000 mileage. Basically, once I bought that car, I noticed that vehicle has a engine management light on. So after that, I need to sort out that engine management. We done. Then after that, we add ring cup set and done the service, done the fresh MOT, make a value added for that car. Then after that, I'll done trading process. While I done trading process, I realized that car write off car. However, I decided to sell that car 1,900. But once I going to do the process, I realized because of the cat, I can't go that price. So I decided to sell 1,500. But however, finally I got one buyer. He offered me 1,100. So I'm happy for that price. Then we done the process. Now already car sold. Then I got 1,100 here. Now I have 1,100 plus all expenses inside that 1,100. I'll talk you in a minute how about the expenses and how about the profit there. Now I'm going to show you my secret profit. First, I'm going to take out my 200 pound. Initially, I'll put into the business. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is my initial 200 pound for the business I'll put on. Then after that, I had to take out 420 pound for the service and repairs MOTs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 420. I'll leave this one out of the way. This is my net profit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 480. Then I'm going to add this 200 also into the new business. Then I have already 680. Right. Now I have a 680 pounds. So I'm going to do another car flipping. Basically, I'm going to shipping and find out cheaper car, then value added. After that, I can sell and make a profit. You know, I already done one, then I'm not going to bother second time. Same thing. I have experience now because I learned lot of from that car. When I going to buy a car, what time I need to check. Because of without known, I bought a cat car. Because of that, I lose little bit money. However, learn from experience. So then I'm going to do the same process again. However, if you have a car, if you want to sell, please let me know. I can help you for the process. I can value added, I can sell, then after that we can split our profit. Also, if you have any comments, suggestion, how am I going to develop my money, please comment below. Really appreciate your time and help. So see you with the next video with massive ideas with massive profit. Thank you. See you the next video.